Baby Bus!
Dino Warriors, Episode 31. Monsters Riot!
Jura City, we'll protect you!
Seeing this, Halsey clenched his fist. The armor on his body was burning with raging flames. Like a fighting T-Rex, Halsey charged at the monsters recklessly.
T-Rex, crush!
Halsey!
Esten and Rachel followed through, only to hear Halsey surrounded by the monsters shouting at them.
Esten, Rachel, protect the people! I'm okay!
Esten and Rachel looked at each other and stopped hesitantly. People around them subconsciously gathered towards them.
Dino Warriors! Dino Warriors! They're here! Dino Warriors are Dino
Guys, don't be afraid!
Rachel raised her hand, and the armor on her body lit up with white light.
Dinosaur, your guardian is coming!
Suddenly, all the surrounding fire hydrants cracked, creating countless streams of water flow, which formed an ice barrier to protect the people like a shield.
That's useless! Today, I'm going to teach you a lesson called desperation!
In mid-air, the figure of General Abi stepped out of the black smoke. Standing on the roof of the building, he looked down at Halsey, Esten, and Rachel.
This city should have knelt down before me! Long ago! Why are you resisting? Why? Beat them! Suppress them for me, monsters!
Upon General Abi's order, more monsters rushed over, smashing Rachel's ice barrier.
Oh no! There are too many of them!
Rachel struggled to reinforce the ice barrier. Her raised arms were trembling. As she looked up, Halsey at the forefront had clenched his fist tightly, and the light of his armor was getting brighter and brighter.
Why are we resisting? What a stupid question, General Abi! Esten and Rachel, tell him why!
Esten and Rachel were stunned by the question for a short while. Then, their lips curved in a barely perceptible but determined smile.
Because we are Dino Warriors! Storm of Pterosaur! Pliosaur territory!
Esten and Rachel roared in unison. The wind was blowing in gusts, forming a dinosaur-shaped airflow, circling and sweeping away the monsters around the barrier. At the same time, frost fell off the sky, turning the surrounding into a world of ice and snow, and freezing the monsters into ice sculptures, unable to move at all. Finally, Halsey's decisive voice came over slowly.
T-Rex, fire, ball!
Halsey's raised arm pressed down heavily. A flaming meteor with a long tail of flames fell from the sky. Suddenly, there seemed to be a small sun over the playground, and the frozen monsters and the ice sculptures started to melt down and vanish with the sun.
Now, the game is over!
The three of them were panting for breath, exhausted. A few seconds passed, as if a million years did. The light on the playground slowly dissipated, and everything nearby seemed to have returned to normal.
Game over?
A mocking voice came along. Dino Warriors' faces instantly froze. Out of the bodies of the monsters, a pitch-dark smoke slowly turned into a figure. It was... oh, not again. General Abi.
Yes, the game is over. It should be.
General Abi grinned viciously. And suddenly, from his hand, he gulped down the original dinosaur stone.
Ah!